What is the primary medium in which electric discharge takes place? Electric discharge is the process where an electric current flows through a gas, typically at low pressure, causing it to become ionized and conduct electricity. This phenomenon is commonly observed in devices like neon signs and fluorescent tubes where the gas acts as the conducting medium. How is an ammeter connected in an electric circuit? An ammeter is connected in series to ensure that the entire current flowing through the circuit passes through it for measurement. It has very low resistance to minimize the voltage drop across it and avoid affecting the circuit's total current. What is the function of a battery in an electric circuit? A battery acts as a source of potential difference, providing the electrical pressure or voltage needed to push electrons through a circuit. It converts chemical energy into electrical energy to maintain a continuous flow of charge. An ammeter is the device used to measure electric current in a circuit. Amplifying voltage is typically the role of a transformer or an electronic amplifier, not a standard battery. Resisting the flow of charges is the function of a resistor, which limits current according to Ohm's law. What is the primary reason for using symbols of electric components in diagrams? Circuit symbols provide a universal language that allows engineers to represent complex electrical systems clearly and concisely. This standardization ensures that circuit diagrams are easy to read and replicate regardless of the physical size of the components. Symbols are schematic representations and do not reflect the physical size or scale of the actual components. The primary goal of technical diagrams is functional clarity and accuracy, not aesthetic or artistic value. Symbols are intended to clearly identify and reveal the function of components, not to obscure them. What property in an electric circuit resists the flow of electrons? Resistance is the electrical property of a material that opposes the flow of electrons through a conductor, measured in ohms. It determines the amount of current that will flow for a given voltage according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Voltage drop is the reduction in electrical potential as current passes through a component, not the property of opposition itself. Heat is a form of energy released due to resistance but is a consequence rather than the property itself. Energy loss is the overall result of resistance in a circuit where electrical energy is converted into heat or other forms. What is the final destination within a neuron for an electrical impulse before it affects another neuron? The axonal terminal end is the final part of the neuron where the electrical impulse triggers the release of neurotransmitters to cross the synapse. This conversion from electrical to chemical signals is essential for communication between neurons in the nervous system. What does DC stand for in the context of electric current? Direct current, DC, refers to the unidirectional flow of electric charge, commonly produced by sources like batteries and solar cells. Unlike alternating current, AC, the direction and magnitude of DC remain constant over time. What is the C unit for electric power? What is the C unit of power, defined as 1 joule per second? It measures the rate at which electrical energy is consumed or transferred in a circuit. Kilowatt-hour is a unit of energy, not power, commonly used for billing electrical consumption. Volt is the C unit for electric potential difference or electromotive force. Joule is the C unit of energy or work, representing the energy transferred when a force of 1 Newton acts over a distance of 1 meter. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.